This CLLOMAGY 10-gauge 3-conductor SJOOW power cable feels genuinely industrial, with a thick rubber jacket that shrugs off rough handling in workshops and job sites. Its oil and water-resistant construction makes it a reliable choice for outdoor generators, welders, and other equipment that live in messy, real-world conditions. The use of oxygen-free copper conductors gives very solid current carrying performance, helping tools start smoothly and run without annoying voltage drop. Despite the heavy-duty build, the cable remains pleasantly flexible, so it coils and routes easily around corners through tight spaces and into power inlets. The 15-foot length is practical for creating custom extension cords or pigtails to connect generators, battery chargers, and motor leads without a tangle of extra cable. Overall, this cable strikes a nice balance of durability, electrical performance, and flexibility that suits both serious do-it-yourself users and light industrial applications.